Standard for Term 2 Science. Welcome friends. Today we are going to see about unitary plants. All living things eat food. Food helps them grow and perform daily activities. Plants produce their own food with the help of chlorophyll, a pigment present in leaves. Humans and animals depend on plants for their food either directly or indirectly. Okay, now let us see the parts of a leaf. Blade. The broad, flat part of the leaf. Lamina. Apex. The tip of the leaf. Midrib. The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. Veins. Veins are branched out from the midrib. They are the framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. Petiole. This part joins the leaf to the main stem. Stomata. Stomata are tiny opening or pores mostly found at the base of the leaves. Air enters and leaves the plant through these openings. Stomata are used to exchange gases. Leaf as food factory. Most of the plants are able to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photo means light plus synthesis to make photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Water. Photosynthesis. Sunlight. A green pigment in the leaves helps them to trap sunlight. This pigment is called chlorophyll. Most leaves are green in color because of this green pigment. Through photosynthesis, plants produce the food and release oxygen into the air. As plants prepare food for themselves and also for other living things, they are called primary producers. Classification of plants. Flowering and non-flowering. Flower is the most important part of many plants because it is involved in reproduction. But some of the plants are not having flower and also produced in different modes. There are two types: flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants. Neem, paddy and mango. It produced by 6 cells or gametes and produce seeds. Seeds produce new plants. Non-flowering plants. Plants without flower that can reproduce are called non-flowering. These plants do not produce seeds. They reproduce by a special structure called spores. Example: algae, fungi and fern. Green and non-green plant. The most important pigment present in plants are called chlorophyll. Green plants. Plants containing green pigments are called green plants. Example: grass, paddy, algae. Non-green plants. Plants that lack chlorophyll. They cannot prepare their food and looks not green are called non-green plants. Example: mushroom, bread molds, bracket fungi. Parts of flower: sepal, petal. or leaves that protect the flower while it is still a bud. Petals are often bright colored. Their main job is to attract insects such as bees or butterflies to the flower. This is the image of the flower structure image. Stamen. Stamen can be seen at the center of a flower. Pistil. Pistil is also seen at the center of the flower. The pistil uses the pollen to help the flower become the fruit. Seasonal flowers. The change in climate that occurs periodically is called seasons. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. Flowers that bloom in winter. December, winter jasmine, tuberose. Flowers that bloom in summer. Jasmine, sunflower and rose. Flowers that bloom in autumn and spring. Dahlia in autumn, saffron in autumn and tulips in spring. Exotic plants. The plants that are growing outside its native areas, either purposefully or accidentally, are called exotic plants. Sago palm, fern, crotons, traveler's palm, boat lily, aloe vera. Plants as food. Humans and plants, other animals, often use plants as food. Plants we eat are edible. Edible parts of plants. All the parts of different plants are edible. That is, we cannot eat them as food. Roots as food. Many plants store excess food in their roots. They have thick and swollen roots. There are examples: carrot, beetroot and tapioca. Stems as food. In some plants, the stem stores the excess food in it, like potato, onion, ginger or underground stems that we eat. Turmeric and sugarcane. Leaves as food. Leaves of some plants are used as food. In some of plants, extra food is stored in leaves. We can eat the leaves of plants like cabbage, coriander and moringa. Flowers as food. Flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Many flowers are used as food, like banana flower, cauliflower and clove. Fruits as food. Many fruits are used as food. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals like banana, mango and jackfruit. All fruits can be eaten raw. Grains as food. Grains of pulses, cereals and pods are the commonly eaten seeds like rice, pulses and fenugreek. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.